Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. Ever since I first became a father at the quite late age of 40, I've noticed a strange change within myself. As I get older, I feel like I'm becoming a bit softer. Or maybe it's more that as my kids also start to get older, the world hits me harder and I find myself reacting a bit more emotionally to things that maybe I wouldn't have responded to in that way when I was younger. Let me give you an example. The other week, me and my kids were watching E.T The Extra-Terrestrial, the classic 80s film. And as we got near the end of the film, where E.T finally manages to go home, I could feel myself starting to well up. I could feel the tears rising and forming in my eyes. My daughter, who knows me very well, looked over at me and sort of rolled her eyes and said, "Are you going to start crying again in a minute, Dad?" To which I responded by saying, No, I've just got something in my eye there. If you well up, you basically feel the tears building in your eyes and you realise that maybe any second now they might start to trickle or even stream down your cheeks. I guess the idea comes from a well, like a hole in the ground that you dig to get water up from. And you know, as the water rises up in the well, it wells up. So it's often used to talk about feeling that you're about to cry. So maybe you go to a concert and you're sitting there or standing there listening to one of your favourite pieces of music, and as the tune starts to build, you feel yourself welling up. You feel the tears welling up in your eyes. We also sometimes use it to talk about other emotions, particularly negative emotions. So you might start to feel the anger welling up inside you as you're getting more and more annoyed by something you're listening to. Or as you're trying to do something, or again, maybe when you're listening to something, you might feel the frustration welling up inside you, getting ready to burst out, to explode. Or you might feel the impatience welling up inside you. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use well up